Hey, good morning guys. I know मैं वीडियो बहुत दिन के बाद अपलोड कर रहा हूँ. सॉरी अबाउट दैट. वीडियो शूट करना इजी होता है, लेकिन उसको एडिट करके कंपोज करना एंड मेक इट अ प्रेजेंटेबल फॉर्म में लेके आना, इट्स क्वाइट डिफिकल्ट एंड टाइम टेकिंग प्रोसेस. हैट्स ऑफ टू ऑल यूट्यूब क्रिएटर्स आउट देयर, यू नो, हु अपलोड्स वीडियोस ऑन अ डेली बेसिस. कैसे करते हो यार आप लोग? Anyways, alright, so guys, this video is about a short ride from Bangalore which I did beginning of this month with one of my good friend. You can see the brief details about this place where we are going in the beginning of this video, and now let me take you guys to the place. So I started from my place at around 4:30 in the morning, and meeting point with my friend was at a Hebal flyover, because the route which we were taking was the Bangalore-Hyderabad highway. It was very cold in the morning, I think about 16-17 degrees on the highway, and it was quite chilling. So we thought of taking a break. We saw a coffee day, so we thought we'd just have a quick coffee before we continue our ride. Well, though there were quite a lot of people at the coffee day, but the service was very slow and we didn't want to wait there and waste our time, so we moved on. And now we are crossing the airport toll. Early morning police checking is a usual affair here. I've seen quite a lot of bikers being stopped and asked for the papers, but luckily we were not stopped. On the way we just stopped by for some photography. The sunrise was really beautiful, so we thought we'd take some pictures. So now we have switched from National Highway to State Highway. So we were following the GPS, Google Map, and Google Map, so Horsley Hills ends right here. So that's the viewpoint when you reach the Horsley Hills. So before parking the bikes and going to the viewpoint, so we thought we'll just explore a little bit more the hill and see what else is there for us to see. So we moved on. Quite a lot of resorts around the place. Seems like a good resort. There is a fish spa right here. Then on the both sides there are a couple of restaurants, and it's pretty looked very family oriented places, so it's pretty safe to bring your family here. I'm sure they'll like it. Small joints for tea and then breakfast. There is a zoo, a small zoo on top of the hill, which you can visit. Not much animals, but worth it to pay one visit. So the entire hill road is, entire roundabout, it's about 1.5 kilometers, and as you can see that we're just back on the same viewpoint. This place is amazing. There's hardly anybody, people around this place. We just saw one family up there. Pretty calm and quiet. Very scenic place. And it's just 150 kilometers from Bangalore. And between all this scenic view, this particular red tree caught our attention. We took a tea break. We had some Maggie. This Maggie was really nice, and then we started back to Bangalore. On the way back, I tried to mount my action camera on the leg guard to get a different view of the ride. Let me know, guys, your comments. How is this view compared to the view from my helmet? So I was back home by around 3:34 in the evening. Like I said, it's a short ride from Bangalore, but it actually makes sense. If you are a small group, you can stay up on the hill overnight and enjoy the sunset and sunrise. So it's a nice getaway for the weekend. Alright guys, let me know what you think about this video. I hope you like this video, and if you do so, please give a thumbs up, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please do subscribe. Ride safe. Cheers guys.